Mission Target 5 in the event. Yeah, I know. You're not supposed to do it. I'm doing it anyways. Right, the key is to let your troops slowly work their way in. Get these guys firing and then put them on hold. And when they're on hold, come on, the lag is ridiculous. Bring in your bounty hunter and let your bounty hunter be a distraction. And then bring in 2 more light bringers to kill everything for you. So the bounty hunter doesn't come around much, but right now we just need to kill a few of these guys and then slowly pick off the front of the base. Now look out, these guys here will do some damage to you, so you got to kill them. They got to be priority number 1. More than anything else. Overwatch won't do a whole lot of damage to you, but those guys will take out your Lightbringer right away. Look out, here they come. Basically, you just want to get in position where you can clean some stuff out. You just got to clean a little bit of the front, and then eventually I'm going to be able to bring more Lightbringers in to attack. But these guys are the number 1 priority because they'll really do you some damage. All right, now we got a little bit of... Okay, oh, watch out for him. He'll get you. Fire. All right, good. Now we can go right there. Oh, no. All right, put them on hold. You can leave them right there. Now bring these guys up. Because once you get this guy up, then we can kill. Biggest thing is you got to kill him. So you got to get yourself in a position where you can. All right, right there is good. Go on hold, you stupid guys. They're unbelievable. All right, now we got to get him to come forward. And what he'll do is he will come after the Romeros. And then you'll kill him with your Lightbringers. So the Romeros are just a distraction. All right, next one's come out. We're going to kill him, and it should make him come. There he comes. All right, you see he's going to go after the Romeros, but what we got to do... There, we got him. Okay, so now we put them on pause. These guys just sit there. Now we move, deselect. Now we move the bounty hunter. Again, he's just a distraction, but he's going to be how you clear the base. Now we'll clean off this side. Basically, we're done. Once you get rid of him, you got a few more of those guys over here. And now we're basically done. It's easy now. Just go around and clear the stuff out. These guys back here, nothing will hurt you back there. This is the only guy that'll hurt you over here, but he's so concerned with the Romeros that nobody will attack you. Clean out this stuff, and then these little spiders. And basically at this point we're done, so we'll just put it on Ruby, and we'll clear the rest of the base with Ruby. But that's it for 5. Just that easy, just that quick. Go and do likewise. And I'll show you. I don't think I got very much damage, but we'll see. We'll see. Enter the base. I got a little damage from when I did Ultra Base. I wasn't paying attention, and I lost 2 Lightbringers. But that's nothing significant. these guys to come back. We'll see what we got for damage. There it is. 3 minutes and 1 second. So here's what we have. 2 Lightbringers, 2 Lightbringers, 2 Lightbringers, and the Bounty Hunter. And that will clear almost all the bases. So we're just doing this. So we will now, let's go do a 6.